morning. So today we will have the winter activities, a snowmobile riding with our tourists. So they came from the India, first time after the long break, after the 2 years. So this is going to be the first tourists from India, and we are waiting here at the Ritz-Carlton, and very soon we will start our journey toward the mountains. Now city is very safe and a lot of things here to do in winter time, and I'm going to show you also the later what type of the activities can be possible to do in Almaty in Kazakhstan. And now our first day it's going to be the snowmobile in the mountain area with nice picnic, hot snacks, and we adopting the everything for our tourist preference. For example, today our guests, so they're vegetarians, they don't eat eggs, sea products, seafood, yeah, and also they don't eat the meat. And we adopted the picnic, and we will going to have the fun for 4 hours. We are on 2,500 meters above the sea level. It's such a beautiful area. Look at this. Big Almaty Lake. So lucky to catch the big Almaty Lake, and now look how heavy fog is coming now, and you cannot see anything. But we had a chance for 5 minutes only. Look at this amazing view. It seems like a Norway. No, it seems like a Canada, Moraine Lake. No, still Almaty. In drawing. Almaty Lake, it's a portable water, so it goes down to the city and supplies the city, half of the part of the city with the water. And our Victor with a drone, and we are going down to hike just over here. Another wonder of big Almaty Lake, and look at this. Okay, it's frozen water, yeah, but let me show you iceberg like this. Absolutely blue color, and it's so amazing. Look at this. It's iceberg, amazing. You know why it's a blue color? Because it's water comes from glacier and full of the minerals. And here the pure water. Now it's time to taste the pure water from the glacier. And look at this beauty. We're somewhere in Iceland, but no, we're not in the Iceland. We're still in Almaty. Oh my god, it's so fresh and so breathable, fresh air, and very nice weather. And our tourists are enjoying their time. Woohoo!
Turn right, you in the centrum, you right side. If you wanna turn left, you left side. Okay? This is accelerator. Very slowly, little amplitude, 1 centimeter max. For you. Let's go.
Woohoo!
This side.
Now we're going to make the bonfire.
Yeah.
Yes. And it's a walk on the footprint because it's ice underground. Look at this, it's real ice. Wow. Do you see this? Look at this. Oh my god. It's all ice. It's icy road. Woohoo! Should be very careful. Should be very careful.
Drop me there.
Drop.
I come rolling.
Okay. This is your order. I already recorded you even. We will make it happen. Look at this picnic area. Wow, it's all ice.
I'm loving it.
It's amazing. All these roads are icy. Look at this. This is our spot. Our camping place. Nice pictures. Memory. This is our camping place. We will do bonfire here. And look at this. All this road, oh my god. It's already became as a rink because the river comes out and it's icy. Wow.
Thank you.
Woohoo! Are you enjoying? We are flying.
Hi.
Enjoy. We are already in the Alpenrose. It's a chalet. We will making stop over here while our Victor is preparing for us the snowmobile. Look at this atmosphere. We already had such a nice fun outside, and we were lucky because look at this weather. It's so snowing and foggy, and conditions for a snowmobile. Let me show you the atmosphere over here. We will come back for tea, having the tea. Nice cozy place. Hello, Arpit.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, where are you from?
India, New Delhi.
Okay, so you had the experience in Almaty. So what do you think about the Kazakhstan in general and your
It's
trip?
been really, really beautiful so far. So the 10-year hotel at the Shambulak was amazing. Even I think much more than amazing. And the image that we had about Almaty or Kazakhstan was that it's unsafe for people, general people, or Indians, or anyone like that, like robbing, mugging, something like that. But I think people here are much more friendly than Europeans or.
You enjoyed your time.
Oh, lovely.
And you didn't expect Almaty like this, yes? Before you was
So when I
expectation.
came here, I thought this Almaty is all about the guys come here for drinks and cabaret and strip clubs. But with coming here with the couple was a different experience. I always ask people that I think Almaty is famous for nightlife, like Bangkok. But Almaty is totally different. Like this is the only thing I can talk about Almaty is this is not the place like Bangkok. I've been to Bangkok 5 times, but this is not Bangkok. This is completely different. And this is amazing.
Thank you so much. And what about the trip today with the snowmobile, mountain, picnic in the air?
Oh, beautiful. It was so romantic. Keep me up.
Did you enjoy it?
We both enjoyed
Yeah, thanks to you for the amazing trip you have arranged for us.
the bonfire, the snowmobile, the mountain, the big Almaty Lake. Everything was perfect.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Everything was
you.
perfect, safe, and you arranged everything for us, whatever we can expect from you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Safety is very important, so I think we
Yeah.
were safe, all good.
Yeah, would you recommend the other Indians to come?
Everyone.
Yeah,
For sure.
family for families.
For sure.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was an unforgettable memories for our tourists from India. For the first time, they tried and experienced the picnic outside just in the winter, made a snowmobile out polite. And if you would like to also experience your travel here in Kazakhstan, we will be very happy to create for you unforgettable memories with us with Visit Me Kazakhstan. And if you like that video, please like, comment below, and I will be very happy to answer you. And see you next time. Bye bye.